Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and today I'm so excited to show you the sunscreen that I got from Amazon, and it's from the company Bum. And let me tell you why this is one of the best products that they have as of the moment. So the Bum sunscreen that I have here is the Clear 50 Premium Sunscreen Lotion with zinc oxide. What I like also is this cap that has right here, and it's going to be safe. It's not going to be something that is going to do a mess on my backpack. So something that I really like is the fact that it's only one fluid oz or 30 milliliters. So it also complies with the regulations of the TSA. It's easy to apply. This is enough. This is more than enough. You can tell that I have sunscreen. That's because of the zinc. So the other presentations doesn't leave this white cast, but if you are eager to protect your skin and you're prompt to having any skin disorder, then you may want to have this one for your face. So this was Brian with WTI, and that's my point of view.